music. Okay. Hi, I'm Avery. We're gonna be eating Subway. And I'm Bree. We just seen some videos. It was Epic Crisp, like 4, 3, 5,
6 or something.
Yeah, 4,
and
6,
she's
5.
like epically. Like,
and she was like, So
yeah,
what we're gonna
really
do, we're gonna
cool.
eat and like figure out how to like make it all ninja style.
Do I have a lot?
Yeah, I like pepper.
And I have olives.
Yeah, you retarded. I got pepper. I didn't want that.
And I got whatever these are.
My dad's retarded. Oh, that's banana.
Oh, yummy. You got everything except whatever these are.
Olives.
Olives. I'm an olive.
You want that?
No. Oh, yeah.
Ew! Still in it.
Yeah. My finger.
You need a towel. I don't know where one is.
Oh, McDonald's napkin. Oh.
Did you eat mine?
No. Your side's bigger than mine.
Ew.
Jeez. That's lettuce.
No, it's not.
You inspect it. Jeez.
I can't eat this. My dad's retarded. Do you see this? He's like retarded in the face.
Bite.
Careful, you might get something in it. Ew! Onion! Are you retarded, Dad? Where's my phone? Hand me my phone. Watch me. Hear it.
Are you calling him?
Yes. He didn't get my order right.
He's gonna have a foul.
I don't care. You have a time.
Hello?
Dad?
Yeah?
You didn't get my order right.
I got it exactly how you typed it.
No, you didn't. You said I'm 1/2 peppers and red onions. And what do I get on my half? Pepper and red onions. And then
You know
Brianna
what?
gets like all the red onions, so
The order said on half of it, you want everything but jalapenos, onions, and one other thing. And then the other one said, and on the other half, red onions and green peppers.
oh, I forgot to say no. I forgot to say no tomato, no red onion, no jalapenos, and no pepper.
Well, that's your own fault, because I read it to the guy exactly how you typed it to me.
Okay. Sorry.
Alright?
Bye. You too.
I swear,
I'm mad at him.
I typed tomatoes, and, I said no tomatoes, no onions, no everything. Guess what?
He didn't get it right. Hope you enjoy us eating. Does this make you hungry?
Maybe we should go buy some.
Yeah.
We got $5 on there.
Hey, Chica. What's her name again? Chris. Like,
Her name on Chris, that's her initials. It's like, it's Epic Chris 456, I think.
hey, you. Epic Chris. 4, 5, whatever. Send me a message or something. Tell me how you do that. You're like ninja. I love it.
Sorry you don't get any answers. Aww.
Do you like that pepper?
Yeah,
I don't like two.
all
My
You like
face
those?
is falling out.
You like your those pickles? Black Forest ham is the best.
Stop falling out. Ew.
And you take it long. And don't get it. Eat it.
Eat it. Eat it. Hey, we need to clean that up. Did you see my sandwich poop?
Grab me out.
Oh my gosh, Bree, I am so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Ow!
Look at the fake blood knife. It's kind of real, but it's real. Just the blood. It's fake.
Fake.
Oops.
My bad.
Vampire blood.
My sub is really good. My sub just poop. Oh, he's pooped more.
We can't edit the videos while we record it. We have to do it off my camera. Where's your sister's VTouch plug?
Look into my eyes now, so you like to move. Like
Wait.
Jesus takes the wheel. Did you like that beautiful singer? I hope you did. Thumbs up for it.
Ready?
I'm gonna blow my freaking speakers. Naked. My sub's naked.
So, yeah. We pretty much made the video, and then I got to start with eating. Sorry. We went to go get the food, and then we started this video, and I guess we're just eating. I don't think you heard me. What I said was we picked up Subway, and then we started this video, so sorry. You opened the mail,
Oh.
honey.
That's pooping. That was ham.
You want that? Ow! No! I'm... Come on, ready for this? You see that poopy mess?
Ah!
Ooh, this is yours. What's in three?
I'm 3 years old.
That is hot.
I bet you it was.
I need something lettuce. Where's lettuce?
Poor onion. You don't have to keep it.
Please, where's my lettuce? God. Don't forget to Subway and McDonald's thing. Mine's all gone. That's
Okay,
really
what's that?
gross.
Cause it's ice.
That's just so warm.
Ew! Ew!
What?
See this? Let's throw the camera. Check that out.
Hello. Hey, come here, camera.
Our video is way too long.
Oh! want this. It's got printer dust.
Ew.
Oh, what do you mean our video is way too long? It's 10 minutes. It took us 10 minutes to eat a freaking sub.